Hello my lovely Aquarius, I welcome you all with my whole heart. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, for liking my video. I hope I help you out in some manner and I will try my level best to give you all the messages to you Aquarius all over the world. Okay, this is your bonus love reading for October 2020. Okay, and I will try my level best to give you to deliver you all the messages whatever I am getting to be delivered to you Aquarius. Okay, if you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything, if you want to talk to me. I will love to answer you Aquarius. I will love to help you out. Okay, so these messages are general love messages, general love bonus messages. It will I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, then you can just leave it out Aquarius. Okay, and just apply as according to your situations. So let's see what are the messages. Yeah, see, and you can have a look to in your I have already posted your main love reading Aquarius. You can have a look on that video too. Okay, sorry, excuse me. Okay, so see, I'm getting a message. It's time to release negativity. So in their main reading too, there was 5 of Cups energy Aquarius. It's time to leave this negativity. That's what I was getting in your main reading too, and I was focusing on that you have to get out of this energy as soon as possible. You need to get out of this. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out, guides, God, universe, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give the best messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius, my magical Aquarius, magical beings all over the world. Help me out to deliver to the best messages which I need to deliver. Help me out. Have faith in your dreams Aquarius. This is your first message. Have faith in your dreams. Okay, don't give up. Don't give up. Have faith in your dreams. Okay, you do not need to. Okay, too many messages. See, bottom of the deck again I'm getting, it's time to release negativity. I'm going to take this Aquarius. This message is again coming for you, and I've got so many messages for you. I'm going to take these because in between also so many cards were there. 0303 was the recording time. Okay, so yeah, it's time to release negativity Aquarius. Very beautiful and important message for you. Now the time has come to release any negativity which is there in your life, any negative person, any toxic person. If there is it's there in your life, it's time, the time has come to release them. Release them as soon as possible. Okay, so yeah, these are the messages. Communication is the key. Is your message Aquarius. Communication is the key. Next is wow. That's what I was telling you. Sun card was there. New beginnings. A new romantic cycle begins. Wow Aquarius, let me know in the comment section. King of Cups was there in your main reading too, and some of this Libra energy is there, new moon in Libra. Some of you are dealing with Libra. Okay, oh, it's fallen out. Just a second. Yeah, sorry for the pause, the card was fallen out. Yeah, so yeah, maybe this past person, this negative person you are dealing with, this Scorpio is there. Okay, so yeah, water energy. Maybe some of you are dealing with water energy in the past, and the time has come to release them Aquarius, because the new romantic cycle is going to begin. Okay, can you see a new romantic cycle? 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, a new romantic cycle begins Aquarius. So look at the bigger picture. It's your next message. Your commitment is being tested. Okay Aquarius, is your next message. end of a tough cycle approaches. Yes, there is so many confirmations that whatever you were dealing with, Aquarius, in the past, it was very tough. I can know it. It was very, the decision was very hard. You was going through a lot of things in your life. Okay, but the tough cycle as approaches. The tough cycle is going to end now, Aquarius. The end of tough cycle approaches now. So this is your message. Nothing is yet set in stone. Okay, Aquarius, nothing is yet set in stone. Okay, this is your message. Hold your vision. Hold your vision, Aquarius. Okay, this is your message. And conclusions are within reach. This is your last message in this deck. Okay, conclusions are within reach. So yeah, very important message, Aquarius. I'm going to repeat it. It's time to release negativity, okay, as soon as possible. And the end of tough cycle has approaches. The end of a tough cycle approaches, Aquarius. Whatever you are going through, negativity or tough time, it's going to end now, because it's being coming in your reading. Okay, so it's time to release those toxic negative energies around you, people around you, relationship around you, whether it's a lover, friend, okay, whatever it is. The time has come to release them. You deserve best, Aquarius. That's, if you do not know this, I am going to tell you now. I'm going to use this spell casting oracle deck. Let's add some oracle. I love my decks, Aquarius. I'm in love with my decks. They are so beautiful, okay? And I love doing your reading, Aquarius. Dreams answers is in the, you get, being an Aquarius, as I'm also an Aquarius, I can tell you out that you will get your answers in dreams. Maybe some of you are getting dreams. 0303 is the recording time. So some of you are getting dreams in which you are getting answers, Aquarius. So just focus on your dreams, okay? Focus, remember your dreams, remember your answers, okay? Let's see, what are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Okay, what are the messages? Well-being. Well-being, Aquarius, is your first card. Okay. Let me read it out from the book. Okay. So yeah, Aquarius, concerns about your well-being have been flagged, and you are being reminded to take steps towards healing aspect of your current state of being. Changes call you to adopt. Whether this is on a physical, mental or social level, the prime concern is looking at how to achieve the optimum levels required to feel and be at your very best. By doing, you will be emerged with a positive self-esteem, so you can live and work productively while feeling engaged with the world around you. Happiness, health and comfort support you as you take steps towards personal fulfillment. Sorry, my son was there in the room, so I need to stop my reading. Okay, so try to consume healthy foods, Aquarius. Healthy foods, you need to take care of your health. Well-being is indicated in your oracle deck. You are about to turn a corner. Lifestyle choices. Wait. So yeah, next card is Strength card. Strength card was there in your main reading too. You can have a look in your main reading. Strength is indicated, Aquarius. You need to put your strength together. Okay. Let's see any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out. 2 messages. Okay. Yeah, boundaries, Aquarius, very important. You need to set your boundaries around people, around, can you see there is a girl? You need to set your boundaries, Aquarius, if you have not set yet. And psychic ability. Some of you are getting your third eye open, Aquarius. You're getting more intuitive now. Okay. So this is very positive, Aquarius. Psychic abilities is indicated. So some of you getting more intuitive now. More, your third eye is getting open now. Wow. 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 Any other message? Okay. Okay, Aquarius, courage is there. Courage is there for you. You are getting more courage. So trust is there, Aquarius. You need, oh sorry, not trust, truth. Yeah, truth is there. You're getting the truth. Okay, you're getting to know the truth, Aquarius. And then the next oracle is peace. You're getting your peace back. You're getting your peace back, Aquarius. Very beautiful cards for you. Travel is indicated in your, either some of you are going to travel very soon, or you are going to start a new journey in your life, Aquarius. A new chapter in your life. So yeah, travel is there. If you are going to travel somewhere, please take care of you, Aquarius. And inspiration is there. You are getting inspirations, okay, or you are setting examples for the people around you. You're getting inspirations. People are giving you inspirations, okay. So these were the messages, oracle messages for you. Let's see what more message I can tell you out from this numerology deck. Okay, let's add. Okay. Sorry. Let's add. What are the messages? Okay, that was fast. Wow. Wow. You manifested, Aquarius. Manifestation is there. Magician energy is there. This is you. You are trying to manifest something. New beginnings. You are manifesting new beginnings, and it's there. The sun card. See, the sun energy, the sun card energy is there in this too. New beginning is going to happen for you, Aquarius. You need to keep patience, temperance, Aquarius. Okay, so these are the same energy which were there in your main reading too. You are manifesting new beginnings, but right now you need to keep patience, Aquarius, if you are not keeping yet. Synchronicity, that's what. Just look at the numbers, or you will get to know the synchronicity, that some number, repeating numbers, or something is getting synchronicity in your life. Okay, so this is the message for you. Financial discipline. Financial discipline is there. Let's see what else. And everything is 8, 8, 8, 87, 8, 48. Okay, so 8 is important, Aquarius. Something related to 8. And this sign is also an infinite sign, if you see like this. So something is indicated with the 8 number, okay. Just have a look on 8 number. I don't have much to tell you what is this 8, but 8 is significant for you. Self-discipline is indicated, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having love. So yeah, you're getting your love, Aquarius, and self-discipline is indicated. You need to be disciplined. You self need to get disciplined. I love your readings, Aquarius. I'm getting very, very beautiful vibes right now. New beginnings is there. New beginnings in love. Okay, new beginning is there in love. So yeah, new beginning is there for you. Let's see more messages. More messages for Aquarius. What I can tell you, I'm going to use my vintage wisdom oracle. Okay, 1 minute, let me shift my camera. Okay, Let's see. Well, let's add some oracle for you. And these cards are also very beautiful, Aquarius. I can tell you out. Let's add some oracle. See, again, dreams is indicated. So just put more focus on dreams. Something important is coming in your dreams. Okay, you need to more focus on your dreams. Let me know what dreams. In dreams you are getting some answers. Okay, universe is trying to tell you union. Union is indicated for you, Aquarius. Let's see. So let's start. What are the messages? Okay, what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Choice. Wow. Yes, very important, Aquarius. You need to make a choice. Either you need to take a choice, you need to take a decision that what you want in your life. So choice is indicated, Aquarius, and you need to choose what you want. What do you want, Aquarius? You need to you're getting your choice. You need to select what you want, because some of you are going to meet a new person. So you need to decide. Either you want to deal with the same old energy, toxic energy, or you want to be in that energy, or you need to get out of that energy. Okay, so wow, yeah, you're guiding, you are surrounding by some guardian angel, Aquarius. You are safe. They are protecting you. You do not have to worry about it, Aquarius. You do not have to worry about it. Angel energy is surrounding you. Universe, angels are protecting you, Aquarius. They are guiding you. They are, protecting you. So you do not have to worry about it. Next is listening. Listen to the nature, Aquarius. Listen to the birds, nature, yourself. Okay, listening is very important. Let me read it out more deep from the book, because I want to give you a more message from this. Okay, what is the meaning of listening? That's what I was telling you, that you are being supported by angels. They are protecting you. You do not have to worry about it. You are blessed, Aquarius. If you do not know this, I'm going to tell you. Okay, psychic boy, that's what I was telling you. You are getting more psychic, Aquarius. You're getting more intuitive. You are opening your third eye. You're getting your third eye open. That's why you're getting dreams too. Okay, so listen to yourself. Listen to the animals, birds, nature, surroundings around you. Okay, if you are not listening yet, you just focus on the nature. Some messages can be there for you. Okay, either from the animals or from the nature. You need to listen it carefully. Wow, see, again the message has come. Dreams has come. So yeah, Aquarius, something is connected to your dreams and hope. You will get your hope back. Can you see? Hope is there. Star card energy, and that was there in your main reading too. Star card energy, new hopes and new desires is coming for you. Very positive messages, Aquarius, for you. Choice is there. You need to take a decision. You need to choose. You need to take a choice what you want in your life. You're getting your dreams come true, Aquarius, or you're getting something in your dreams. Okay, you're getting your answers in your dreams, and new hopes and new desires is coming your way. Nature wants to communicate with you, so just be more aware and listen to the nature more carefully, Aquarius. Okay, so these are the messages from my vintage wisdom oracle deck, and thank you so much, Aquarius. Thank you so much, vintage wisdom oracle, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see. I'm going to use my fortune reading cards. Okay, so yeah, let's see what are the messages from this deck. I want to give more and more messages, Aquarius, to you. And in all messages, I can tell you one thing, that what I am getting for you is there. New beginning is going to happen in your life, Aquarius. New love is coming your way. You're getting your hopes back in your life. And it's time to release negativity, toxic people from your life. You deserve best, Aquarius. You deserve best. You are already blessed with so many things, okay? So you do not need to worry about it. Wow. Dragon, have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal and connection to spirit. Again, the same message is there, okay, Aquarius? Spirit is connecting to you, Aquarius, okay? It's time to be renewed, okay? So you have to be more, you have confidence right now, have great confidence during this time of great joy and renewal and connection to spirit. Yeah, you are getting connected to your third eye. Your third eye is going to open right now, and that's what I'm telling you. Lion, harness the loyal and protective aura of the lion and charge ahead magnificently. Okay, so yeah, Aquarius, strength card is indicated again. You are the lion, Aquarius. Roar, Aquarius, roar as you can with full confidence. Okay, you already being in a protective aura, okay, of lion. So you do not have to worry about it. Moon, pay attention to your intuition at this time and move ahead confidently. That's what I'm getting you. High priestess energy, Aquarius. You are getting more intuitive right now. So pay attention to your intuitions, okay? You are intuition. You are born intuitive, Aquarius. So many cards. So many cards. So yeah, you are born intuitive. You just need to focus on your intuition. Just listen to your focus. Listen to your intuitions if you have not listened yet. Okay, let's see any other message. Any other message? Okay. Wow. Plane. Again, a journey is indicated, Aquarius. Either some of you are going to travel somewhere, or this is your new journey which is indicated in your life. Journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Your life will become more full. Journey is indicated, Aquarius. Celebrations. You are ready to bring new and exciting things in your life. Wow. 1 2 2 2. 1 2 2 2. Okay, yeah, that was a recording time. So yeah, celebrations is indicated. Okay, so yeah, something is coming towards you in which you will celebrate new things. So be ready, Aquarius. Be ready for new and exciting things in your life. And world card, Aquarius. World card is indicated for you. Be open to new possibilities in all area of life. You're completing a cycle. You're ending a cycle, and you starting on something new. Is in new possibilities, new life, new love. Some new in your life is coming your way. Wow, I love your messages, Aquarius. I love your messages. Thank you so much for giving them message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let's see what you need to surrender, Aquarius, because every time in life we need to surrender something so that we can achieve. In our life things which we need to surrender. The power of surrender cards. I'm going to use this 1333. Okay, was the recording time. So let's see what you need to surrender in your life now to achieve your goal. Let's see what is the thing which you need to surrender it. Let's see. I know I make long duration videos, but I'm happy because I think that I am the one who can give you the best messages, and I will be very happy if any of my message will help you out in some way. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Surrender to trust. Trust yourself and your decisions. Don't be swayed by other people's strong opinions about what to do. Take actions and be confident that you have chosen the right path. Have trust on yourself, Aquarius. People will say whatever they want to say. Don't think or don't listen. Don't believe on them. Believe on yourself. 1444 was the recording time. So yeah, Aquarius, surrender to trust. Trust yourself is the first message for you. Okay, don't listen to other people. Surrender procrastination. Now it's the time to jump on a goal instead of putting it off. Take action will attract success. Can you see there is a sun, Aquarius? You need to reach here, okay? So you need to surrender procrastination. Sorry, I can't pronounce it. Okay, surrender worry. Make a commitment not to lead an anxiety-driven life. When worry arises, breathe them out of your body. Focus on the power of your heart and have faith that Spirit is guiding you always. That's what this is. 5 of Cups energy. That's what I was more focusing on, that you need not to be stick on this energy. Okay, get out of this energy as soon as possible, and that is there in your bonus reading too. You need to get out of that 5 of Cups energy as soon as possible, Aquarius, if you have not get out yet. Surrender your desire to control people. Being over controlling can sabotage relationships. To more efficiently achieve your goals, back off, regroup, and give the situation some breathing room, Aquarius. Okay, so you cannot change or control the other person, Aquarius. So you need to surrender your desire to control or other people. Okay, so very important message. Just let go their situations, people. They will come back, Aquarius, if they get to know that what my Aquarius are. Okay, yeah, surrender to your full power. Wow, wow, very powerful message, Aquarius. Your life is calling for you to step in your full power rather than playing it small. This is you, Aquarius. Know your worth. Know you deserve better and best. You are the, you need to surrender to your full power is very important, Aquarius. You are getting more strong light now. Surrender fear. Again, that 5 of Cups energy. And surrender to non-action. It's not no non-action. Yeah, it's the time to be still and not act. Simply breathe and focus on your power. Let others come to you. That's what I was telling you. You need to surrender your desire to control people. Okay, so this is also related to that. Surrender to non-action. Let go of those persons who don't understand you, who don't know your worth. They will come back. I assure you, they will come back once they will get to know that what my Aquarius are. They will come back. Let others come to you. You do not have to chase them. You do not have to follow them. Okay, if they know you, know your worth, in the future they will come back to you for sure. That's what I'm telling you from my experience to Aquarius. Okay, they will come back once they realize that what is your worth. Okay, surrender fear. Let go of the fearful stories you are telling yourself. Stay in the moment. Focus on solution and celebrate every baby step forward. Very important message. Surrender fear. So these are the messages which you need to surrender. Okay, and this is very strong and powerful card, Aquarius. Surrender to your full power. Okay, surrender to your full power. Very important. You are something very beautiful, Aquarius. I love my Aquarius. That's what I can tell you out. Okay, now let's see what is your soul journey. Deck wants to tell you what are the lessons which you need to learn. Okay, this deck will tell you what is your soul journey lesson card. The deck name is Soul Journey Lesson Card. So what lessons you need to learn Okay, 0404 is the recording time right now. So let's see what your soul journey lesson is there. What lessons your soul needs to learn. Okay, let's see. Let's see what are the messages. Courage. Courage is the lesson you need to learn, Aquarius. That's your soul needs to learn. You are full of courage, Aquarius. If you have not learned yet, I am going to tell you that you need to learn as soon as possible, okay? Death card and courage. Okay, so your first lesson is courage. You need to learn this lesson, Aquarius. I find the inner strength to face fear with confidence. Self-confidence, confidence is very important in life, Aquarius. If you're feeling very low, I can give you 0505 is the recording time. I am sending you lots of healing, lots of happiness, sending lots of blessings to you, Aquarius. Get out of your comfort zone and be in your power again, Aquarius. Roar as you can, as much as you can. You are not alone, Aquarius. This is very important soul lesson that you need to learn. Death card. I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. Yes, if something is ending, that's the beginning of a chapter. New chapter, Aquarius. Because it's very important to end something old, so that some new things can happen. Okay, so very important lesson that you need to learn. Your soul needs to learn. You learning that endings are the beginnings, Aquarius. Endings are not the endings, they are the beginning. Okay, so very important lesson that you need to learn, that your soul needs to learn. Okay, indecision. I use my intuitions in all aspect of life. Very important soul lesson again. You need to learn that if you are not being able to take a decision, you have to listen to your intuitions, Aquarius. You have to listen to your intuitions. What are the messages? Any other lesson which I need to tell? Okay. Adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. Yes, that's the very important lesson you need to learn. Whatever challenges are happening in your life, they will make you more strong, Aquarius. They are happening in your life to make you a better person, to make you more strong, to make you learn in the best way. So take those challenges as, you know, something to learn from those challenges. Okay, very important message. Okay, 2 more messages. Acceptance and imagination. I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of your mind. Imagination is very important soul lesson that you need to learn. Okay, Aquarius. Excuse. Acceptance. I'm learning to accept the things that I cannot change. Acceptance is important soul lesson that you need to learn, Aquarius. Accept it and forgive is the bottom of the deck I'm having. Accept that you cannot change, accept that thing and forgive those who block the flow of love. Okay, forgive them. Forgive the people or hurts or yourself too. Forgive yourself too, Aquarius. Okay, acceptance is important. Your important soul lesson that you need to learn in your life right now. So yeah, these were the soul lessons which you need to learn. So these were the bonus love messages for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. And I'm going to make two more videos in which I am going to tell you more messages. Okay, I'm going to use these decks, Everyday Miracle. Then I'm going to use some healing mantra so that I can heal you out from here. Some super attractions deck. I'm going to use these cards deck for you, and I'm going to add some notes from the universe So see you soon, Aquarius, in my next video. Okay, there are more messages for you. So I'm going to add so many messages, and I'm going to add affirmations in those video, in the next video, Aquarius. And very important, I'm going to add a life purpose oracle card in that. Okay, so let's see you in my next video. Okay, I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. Okay, till that, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me something. I will be very happy to answer you out. Okay, Aquarius, if you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe for more videos. And I'm going to do one more reading in which I'm going to talk you about your soulmate reading. Okay, that will be a soulmate reading. So let's see what your soulmate wants to tell you. Okay, to take care, Aquarius, and bye bye.